Guys, 5 minutes, please.
Creative way for Ikea to showcase this collaboration. Hay is really renowned for its fashion and art and architecture focus in its design. So this was a really, really cool way for them to show what's one of the most anticipated collaborations of 2017. Ypperlig is it.
What a great way to launch the collab with a runway show. I think that's the first time I've ever seen that. I guess I'm a big fan of Ikea and Hay, so I love the collaboration because it shows equal parts of the product reflects both brands.
I really like the idea of furniture being presented as sort of a fashion, like a fashion show, because a lot of times they sort of work in hand, so fashion drives furniture, furniture drives fashion, furniture design, so it's really cool.